Here is the model 2530B, a 25 MHz, 500 megasample per second, compact digital storage oscilloscope. The 2530B has many features, including a large 5.7-inch color display, auto setup button that automatically sets the vertical, horizontal, and trigger settings to a proper value for fast signal display, and per our educational customers, a code for the disabling of the auto setup button. Large internal storage for up to 20 oscilloscope setups and 10 waveforms, waveform analysis with math functions including FFT, interface menus in English, German, Spanish, and 9 additional languages, free EasyScope PC operating software, a help menu button that once pressed displays the functions of other buttons, and a USB device port to store and recall waveforms, setups, and screenshots via a USB thumb drive. On the side of the 2530B, you will find the universal AC line input. And on the rear, RS-232 and USB ports for remote PC control, the pass-fail BNC output, and 2 security loops that allow you to secure your instrument to your workspace.